Hi, welcome to the demo video of Adbloop. This is your friend Nishit. I'm founder of Adbloop, and let's get started without wasting your time ahead. So you have to sign up first. Okay, using your best email. I would suggest to use your best email for this demo purpose. I'm using this temp email. Verification email will be sent to your email ID. Yes, we have received an email from Adbloop. You have to click to verify your email. Okay, so once you verify your email, you will be landed on this AdBloop's dashboard page. You have to connect your Meta account from here. Click connect Meta. If your Facebook is already logged in, then you will see this surface. If it's not, then you will have to manually log in into your Facebook. Just for this demo purpose, I'll show you how to do that as well. You have to add your credentials. Facebook may ask you for two-factor verification as well. It depends upon your personal settings. So here I have chosen WhatsApp. So I will be adding my WhatsApp code sent by Facebook. Once you logged in, you will see this type of screen and auth flow from Facebook's ends. You need to give certain permissions to Facebook. Like Facebook will ask that Adbloop will use your certain pages, Adbloop will use your certain ad accounts. Okay, so if you get into this edit details, you will have more idea about it, that Facebook will use your current and future pages. Adbloop will use your current and future business accounts. Adbloop will use your current and future business Instagram accounts. Okay, all the information will be available. You can read it and give the access. No harm in it. Once your account is connected with Facebook, AdBloop will ask you to connect your ad account as a primary ad account. So in case if you are in a free plan, then in a free plan we are giving away only one ad account. Okay, so you can use and pick any of your ad account as your primary ad account. You may have hundreds of ad account in your business manager which is connected with your Facebook, but in your free plan we are allowing only one ad account to run your advertisement. Okay, so it's very important to pick that account very wisely. Here just for demo this purpose I'm using this ad account and adding it. So you will see this note here that you can repick this ad account anytime before you create your first campaign on it. We are giving away 5 campaigns free, absolutely free, in a month. So before running any of the campaign you can switch it, but once you have ran a single campaign out of your free 5 campaigns of free tire account, you won't be able to switch it. Same for pro account as well, in which we are giving 3 account limitations and agency account, in which we are allowing you to use 10 ad accounts. So I'm granting this thing to Adbloop that health jottings would be my primary ad account. So here, as you can see, that now we have uh, picked health jottings as my primary ad account out of all the ad accounts available in my dashboard. So quickly, I'll give you a quick demo of dashboard as well. You can see all the total spend, impression, reach, link click, CTR, CPC, leads, purchase data in your dashboard here. There is a dedicated settings which you can use to customize various dates as well. This is my demo account, so there will be no more data into it. Let's move to campaign part. You will be able to see all the campaigns which you have ran recently. So there are lot of campaigns we run to test Adbloop using this ad account, but these all campaigns are paused at this moment. So this is why you were not able to see that data into dashboard. So very important. Once you got into this dashboard, you can change your password from here, right? You can see all the connected ad accounts. This is very important field, Meta API rate limit. So basically, Meta impose two type of rate limits. There is a particular ad accounts rate limit, and there is a rate limit at app level. So Adbloop has an advanced tier access, so there will be no issue of hitting rate limit at application level, but depends upon your ad account. Either it's a new ad account or it's a old ad account which has a lot of data, a lot of ad spend. Your API rate limit might be varied. So you will be able to see here that what API calls you have used, what wall time you have hit, and depend upon you can run your campaigns. For subscription part, you will be able to see your details, that how many ad accounts are connected, how many ads you have run in this month. If you have any special promo code, you can apply it here, right? If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to pro or agency from this section. If you want to enable any notifications like email alerts or Slack webhook alert, you can do it from here. I'll quickly bring you to the campaign creation level. You have to get into this create campaign section. So let us quickly create a test lead campaign. Okay, you can pick special ad categories as well. For this demo purpose, I'm using employment. You can pick your pages from here, pixel from here. Very important thing to note here as well, just to show you that how you can auto fetch your pixel as well. So for example, this ad account we have connected with Adbloop, but you cannot see any pixel or page or Instagram data here. So if you just refresh using this auto fetch button, our system will find your pixel, our your page, Facebook page, and your Instagram accounts based upon your recent past campaigns. So we have built the system where Adbloop connect with your Meta API, and it checks your previous 200 plus campaigns, and based upon that concrete data, we pick your Facebook page, we pick your pixel, we pick your Instagram accounts. Even though if you are not able to do it, for example, your ad account is completely new, and you don't have a very large data which Adbloop can fetch using your Meta API, then you can edit it manually and put your Pixel ID, Facebook ID, and connect it with this dashboard. I'll use Nishit's Pixel. Let's go with lead campaign. Uh, I want to drive results on a website and instant forms. Let's use lead. So as you can see, you can run any campaign using any of the objectives. Okay, you can toggle CBO on and off, depends upon your requirement. Lifetime budget, daily budget, low cost, lowest cost. You can enable various bid strategies as well. For this demo purpose, I am going with default things available in this dashboard. India is already selected. You can select USA as well. Okay, there are various countries available. You can use this interest behavior targeting as well if you want to target a frequent flyer, or if you want to target someone who plays golf. Okay, so you can do various targeting using this dashboard. I'm going ahead with Advantage Plus audience as Meta suggests. Uh, Placements, you can pick manual placements from here, but I would suggest to go ahead with Advantage Plus placement at this moment. You can pick whatever you wish. You can run image advertisement, you can do advertisement using videos, you can do carousel ads as well by using maximum 10 carousel cards. So for this demo purpose, I'll be using image. So it's very important feature we have built here. uh, we have allowed user to use their Google Drive, and they can put drive links or any of the uh, creative library whichever they are comfortable with. They can just use that link, open link, uh, uh, and put it here and use it to run their campaigns. Quickly, I'm not thinking much about the copy at this moment. Just for this demo purpose, I'm using this my demo website as well. You can use various UTM parameters. You can use whatever you want to use. Okay, just for this demo purpose, I'm using random stuff at this moment. These are not best practices to do and run meta ads. I'll be selecting this automated test form. So these are instant form already built in your Facebook manager, business manager. So our system would be able to fetch those lead forms pixels, business pages, your Instagram from using Meta API. Okay, you if you wish to see ad preview, you can do this from here. Since Google Drive is not allowing, hence for Google Drive we are not able to see that, but for certain platforms you will be able to see it. If you want to run a A/B test variant, you can do it from here. For this demo purpose, I'll not enable it. You will be cross-check final details from here, and when you hit the launch campaign, within few seconds, your campaign would be live. See, this campaign is live. Campaign ID is this. Ad account was health jotting ad account, and campaign name was test leads. So let me show you uh, by opening my Facebook Business Manager as well. So I have used health jotting ad account, and the campaign name was test lead. See, test lead is available. By default, all the campaigns will be paused. So in case if you want to do any necessary changes before you go live, you can do that. So this was our small demo and quick demo for you to understand how to use Adbloop. If you want to use pro bulk create mode, then you have to go for pro account, and if you want certain higher automations, then you have to go for agency tier. In our next video, I'll uh, show you how we can create bulk campaigns using bulk create mode. You will be able to create more than 150 campaigns within just 4 minutes using AdBloop. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.